Catherine Bernardo update. Yan, IB day ni Catherine. Ang ganda pa nga ni Catherine. Oh. Ito yung video. Diyan sa IB clinic. Ang session niya, IB Gentle Laser 4. Quick stop, instant fresh, and IB Gentle Laser 4 keeps Catherine Bernardo skin poreless, smooth, and youthful in no time, you know.
Okay, I'm done with my treatment. I just did GLP today, Gentle Laser 4 for my skin texture, and that's it. I'm off to somewhere. Goodbye.
Yan, off to somewhere. At spotted pa nga si Catherine. Yan, sabi dito sa post, with Miss Catherine Bernardo in London's BGC. Yan, may pa-picture pa nga kay Catherine. Yan, sana all. Ito yung kasama ni Catherine, si John Bau. So, ito post na Uratex Philippines. And Uratex Comfort Cloud Pillow ni Catherine Bernardo. And comfort that lasts and price that fits. And start at 599.75. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is with Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.